Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quiz Booster. Guess the value that fits the blank in the number series below. Yes, you are correct. The answer is 25. Let's explore the pattern and find out how 25 comes here. This is the number series we have to solve. Such series are known as mixed number series. That is, series of numbers are made up of more than one. Let us consider these two series of numbers separately. This is the series 1. This is the series 2. Let's consider the second series again. If you look closely at this, you can see that the second power of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is in this series. The next number related to series 1, 2, 3, 4 is 5. So the answer is 5 to the second power 25. So when the whole grade is taken together, the answer can be written as follows. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos.